Prevent snow and ice buildup on your vehicle's windshield with the FrostGuard Pro from Delk. This durable windshield cover installs in minutes and saves you from repetitive daily ice scraping during the winter months. The large 41-inch by 59-inch FrostGuard Pro nicely covers most car, truck, and SUV windshields. It installs quickly thanks to the adjustable fit-fast strapping system. To install, simply slip the fit-fast strap around one of your side view mirrors and unroll the FrostGuard Pro as you walk to the other side. Install the other strap around the opposite side view mirror and adjust the FrostGuard to cover the windshield wipers as well. Not fitting quite right? Slip the side view mirror into another opening of the fit-fast strap until you find the proper fit across your windshield. The FrostGuard Pro will save you plenty of time each morning. It also stores just as easy. Simply roll up and store it in its included storage sleeve.